Right now I'm seeing sellers in Natomas leave money on the table, and most of them don't even realize it. The difference between a home that sells for top dollar fast and one that sits on the market, it's not the market, it's preparation. In my last video, I talked about how in today's market only certain homes are selling. And what I'm seeing right now is the homes that are selling are the ones that were properly prepared ahead of time. What most sellers don't realize is this process doesn't happen overnight. There are a lot of moving pieces that take time. If you have a tenant in the property, you may need to give them 60 or even 90 days notice. If you're planning to stage the home, which I highly recommend you do, a lot of the best staging companies can be booked out, sometimes weeks out. Even basic things like landscaping, tree trimming, or minor repairs, all of that takes time to coordinate and get done properly. And this is where deals are won or lost before the home ever hits the market. I'm seeing homes in Natomas right now, beautiful homes, that are literally hidden behind overgrown trees and bushes. And that first photo, the one buyers see online, is everything. If the home doesn't show well from day one, you're already behind. The sellers I'm working with right now who are getting the best results, they started early, we mapped everything out ahead of time, and by the time the home hit the market, everything was dialed in and ready to go. So if you're even remotely thinking about selling your home this year, it's well worth having that conversation early. That way we can put a game plan together and position you to get the best possible result. I'm Elliott, and I specialize in helping homeowners in Natomas and the greater Sacramento area sell strategically, not just sell. Call me today and we'll put together a winning game plan to get your home sold for top dollar.